Hello and welcome to my Submagic AI auto edits tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use the AI auto edit feature of Submagic AI to edit your short form content, that is Instagram Reel, YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos. Okay, so watch this video till the end. And by the way, if you don't have Submagic AI free account, then you can get your Submagic AI free account using the link given in the video description. That link will help you to get your Submagic AI free account without giving your credit card details. And suppose if you already have Submagic account and you want to upgrade to any of Submagic AI paid plan, then you can use my coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% additional discount in any Submagic AI pricing plan. So that free trial link and that coupon code both are in the video description. Just go and check it out. So now let me show you how you can edit your short form content with the help of AI auto edit feature. So for this you just need to log into your account. When you will log into your account, then you will see a dashboard like this. From here, as you can see, there is AI auto edit feature which will help you to choose a video template and AI will do the rest. Okay, so let's select AI auto edit feature, and what it will do, it will give you a lots of template. As you can see, currently it is showing the 6 templates. You can use any of the template to edit your video. Suppose if you have a raw footage and if you want to edit your video, let's say like this particular one, then you can select this template. And if you want that your video will look something like this with b-roll footage and all these things, then you can select this particular template. Okay, so as you can see, this is the first template, this is the second template will look something like this. This is the third template, it will look something like this. Okay, it is also looking good. Next one is this one, and you can see the live demo here, it will look like this. And personally I like this last one, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select this particular template. So let's select this one and let's click on continue button. And now I'm gonna upload a video file from my computer, so let's select it. And as you can see, I have uploaded this particular video in my Submagic AI account, and obviously language is English. And suppose if you want to change the template, then you can change it from here. Okay, and if you want to translate it, then you can use this toggle option to turn it on. So let's click on create AI auto edit video. Just click on this button and it will automatically edit video for you. So let's wait for some time, and it is still processing our video. And as you can see, Submagic AI is working. Your video will be ready in 3 minutes and 17 seconds. And currently it is generating captions with AI, and after that it will cut my video into scenes, and after that it will add b-roll, zoom effect and music, and after that it will add emojis, and after that it will highlight important word in my video, and after that it will create captions, animations. It took hardly 2 minutes, and finally it has edited my video. And let's see what it has done so far. So let's click on this play icon. Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop scrolling. With Submagic AI, you can upload your video, you can add animated captions like this, you can highlight any important word if you want, and even you can add emojis in your videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Submagic AI to add captions in your short form video. So watch this video till the end. So let me share my honest review here. Literally it is not good. I don't like the editing here, and captions style and everything. I don't like anything here, and also it has added some random b-roll footage here, and it is not looking good. It is not something I want. I have selected different template and it has added different type of b-roll and everything, as you can see. So I will give it 1 out of 10 rating. So let me show you the same video which I have edited with using Submagic AI but manually. Okay, so let me go back, leave without saving, and let me show you. This is the video which I have edited. I have edited the same video manually in Submagic AI. Let me click on edit icon and let me play the same clip. This is the exact same clip. I have added b-rolls manually. As you can see, I have added b-roll manually. I have added captions manually. I have selected the size of the caption manually, and I have done everything manually. And let me play the same clip again. Creating short form videos takes time, but good captions can make people stop scrolling. With Submagic AI, you can upload your video, you can add animated captions like this, you can highlight any important word. So as you can see, the same video I have edited manually. I have added b-roll and everything myself in this particular video. I have added captions. I have changed its position, size and everything manually, and literally this video is looking 100x better than the video which I have generated using AI auto edits feature. So I will not recommend you to use AI auto edit feature. If you want to make your video look professional, then add your video in this generate captions option and add b-roll manually, add music manually and everything. Okay, so this is my honest opinion. I will not recommend you to use AI auto edit feature. So this is my honest review of Submagic AI auto edits feature. By the way, if you want Submagic AI free account so that you can test all these features yourself, then you can get 100% free Submagic AI account without giving your credit card detail using the link given in the video description. And suppose if you want to upgrade to any of Submagic AI paid plan, then you can use my coupon code Sumit10 to get 10% additional discount in any Submagic AI plan. I hope you found my Submagic AI auto edits review video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this.